All right, we are going to go over some multiplying fractions, and I am going to start with number 3. Victor's lemon cookie recipe calls for 1 and 2/5 cup of sugar. So 1 and 2/5. How much sugar would Victor use to make 1/3 of a batch of cookies? Simplify your answer and write it as a proper fraction or as a whole or mixed number. So I know I'm going to multiply times 1/3. The first thing I'm going to do is take my mixed number and I'm going to create it into an improper fraction. So 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7 over 5. I'm going to keep my multiplication and I'm going to keep 1/3. When I multiply straight across, I get 7 times 1 is 7. 5 times 3 is 15. I know 7 is prime, so therefore it only has factors of 1 and 7. And 7 cannot go into 15 evenly, so my final answer is 7/15. In number 4, I have 8 times 3 and 2/4. When I have a whole number, I have to put my whole number over 1, multiply, and then I can take 3 and 2/4 and I can change that into an improper fraction. So 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14, and I put that over the same denominator of 4. Now in this one, I can cross cancel. So I can see that in my numerator and in my denominator, I have an 8 and 4, and I know both of those are divisible by 4. So when I cross cancel, that means I'm taking the 4, I'm dividing it by 4 to get 1. I'm taking the 8, I'm also dividing it by 4 and getting 2. And then I've kind of simplified before I've even multiplied. So now when I go to multiply across, I get 2 times 14 is 28. 1 times 1 is 1, and any number over 1 is just the whole number answer of 28. Just remember, if you didn't cross cancel on number 4 before you multiplied, you would have to do simplification in the end of the problem.